Good morning, my dear students. So, welcome to next session. In last session, already we discussed some problems. So, in exercise 10.2, I discussed the 3 problems. Now, problem number 4. So, problem number 4 is find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. Okay. So, question is, fourth question is, we have to find x value and y value, 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. That means, so we have to consider equality of vectors. That means 2i plus 3j is equal to xi plus yj. Okay. Now, so I mean equating the I components, j components. 2i is equal to xi, comma 3j is equal to yj. I gets cancelled, x is equal to 2, so jj gets cancelled, y is equal to 3. Okay. So, this is the solution for fourth question. Come to next question, fifth question. So, what is fifth question? Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point is -5, 7. Okay. So, next question is, we have to find vector joining 2 points. We have to find the vector. You have to find the vector joining 2 points. Okay. So, this is 1 point, this is 1 point. Now, this one is I can take the x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So, I want to find vector. So, vector joining points formula is x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap when 3D form is given. Okay, when 3D form is given, that formula. So, here only 2D points is given. That means, what is the formula? Now, I will take this is A, this is B. Now, I want to find AB bar is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. Okay, that means, here x2 is how much? -5. -5 minus 2 I cap plus y2 is 7 minus 1 j cap. So, that equals to -5 minus 2 is -7 I cap. So, 7 minus 1 is plus 6 j cap. This is vector joining 2 points. Okay. I think all of you are clear. Okay. So, observe question number 5. We are following NCERT textbooks. Okay, all of you follow NCERT textbook. So, question number is 5. So, here 2 points is given. We have to find vector joining 2 points. Okay, I want to find a vector. So, that means this is one vector, this is one vector. So, AB is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap. So, here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So, now x2 is how much? -5, x1 is how much? -2. So, that is y2 is how much? 7. So, y1 is how much? 1. That is -5 minus 2 is -7 I cap. So, 7 minus 1 is 6 j cap. Okay. So, this is the solution for fifth question. Okay. Next, we will move on next question. So, we will move on next question. So, question number 6. Okay. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? Find the sum of the vectors. Okay. Here 3 vectors is given. We have to find sum. A bar is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So comma b bar equal to minus 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap, comma c bar is equal to, that means my I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. Now I want to find sum of these vectors. Okay, here three vectors is given: a bar, b bar, c bar. That means a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So what is a bar? I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. I mean next plus is there, and again here minus is there. So plus into minus is minus only. Minus 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Okay. So and again plus c bar. What is c bar? Plus I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. So that is here. So I mean you have to add the I components, and again so simplify the j components and simplify the k components. So here I coefficient is 1, here I coefficient is minus 2, here I coefficient is 1. Okay, that means half I. So similarly you have to take the j component plus minus 2, and again here plus 4, here minus 6j. Okay. Next come to k component, that is k component k component is 1. So here is 5, and again here is minus 7 into k cap. So that means here, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 gets cancel. So here 0, 0 into I is 0 only. So come to this one, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4j. Okay. Next come to this one, 1 plus 5 is 6. So 7 6 minus 7 is minus k. That is, so the sum of these three vectors, okay, the sum of a bar, b bar, c bar is minus 4j minus k. This is the solution of 6th question. Okay. So and again if you have any doubt, so please contact my number. Yes, come to next 7th question. Okay, question number 7. So what is 7th question? Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. So what is vector? A bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is important for 1 mark. Okay. So I want to find unit vector in the direction of the vector. So what is formula? A cap is equal to a bar divided by magnitude of a bar. So already I told about unit vector. Okay. So unit vector means a vector having whose magnitude is 1. Okay. So magnitude is unity, such a vector is called a unit vector. So here find the unit vector in the direction of the vector means this formula. Find the unit vector of the vector means same formula only. Next, so find the vector in the direction of the vector means same formula. Find the vector, find the unit vector parallel to vector means I will take plus or minus. Here only they are asking unit vector. So vector is given, I want to find unit vector in the direction of the vector. That is a cap is equal to a bar divided by magnitude of a bar. That means a cap is equal to, what is a bar? I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by square root of what is magnitude of a bar, that is high coefficient is 1 square plus 1 plus 4. Okay, that is a cap is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, that is root 6. Okay, so a cap, that is unit vector of your given vector is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 6. Okay, so this is the solution for 7th question. Next we will move on next question. We will move on next question. Next question number 8. Question number 8. So what is question number 8? Find the unit vector in the direction of PQ bar. I want to find unit vector for PQ bar. Okay, so where P and Q points is given. Okay, here, so that is P of 1 comma 2 comma 3, Q of 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now I want to find unit vector for PQ bar. Okay, first here I have to find PQ bar and then unit vector for PQ bar. Here P point is given, Q point is given. Okay, so here I want to find first PQ bar, that is PQ bar is equal to, so this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2. So what is vector joining 2 points formula? That is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, so what is x2 here? That is 4 minus 1 I cap plus 5 minus 2 j cap plus z2 is 6 minus 3 k cap. Okay, clear? That is 4 minus 1 is 3 I cap, 5 minus 2 is 3 j cap, 6 minus 3 is 3 k cap. This is PQ bar. Now what is my question means, here I want to find unit vector for PQ bar. Okay, so unit vector for PQ bar, but they given in the form of points. First you have to find PQ bar by using vector joining 2 points formula. So that is PQ bar, we got PQ bar 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Now I want to find, so unit vector of this vector, that is PQ cap divided by PQ bar divided by magnitude of PQ bar. Okay, so what is PQ bar? 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap divided by square root of 3 square means 9 plus 9 plus 9. So that is 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap divided by, so I mean 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 9 is root 27. Okay, so and again here in numerator I can take 3 is common, 3 of I plus j plus k divided by, so root 27 can be written as 9 root 3. 9 into 3. Okay, square root of 9 is 3, that is 3 of I plus j plus k divided by square root of 9 is 3 root of 3. So 3 gets cancelled, that is I plus j plus k divided by root 3. So this is unit vector for PQ bar. Okay, see, now always, okay, we can expect the answer in simple form. Okay, so always we can expect the answer in simple form, that's why so I written simple form. So here I want to find PQ bar. I mean first question is find the unit vector for PQ bar, where P point is given, Q point is given, that is PQ bar. First I have to find PQ bar. PQ bar is equal to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. So here substitute the points. 4 minus 1 I cap, 5 minus 2 j cap, 6 minus 3 k cap. 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. This is PQ bar. Now I want to find unit vector for PQ bar. That is PQ cap is equal to PQ bar divided by magnitude of PQ bar. So what is PQ bar? 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap divided by square root of 3 square means 9, 9, 9. Okay, that means 27. On simplifying, you will get I plus j plus k divided by root 3. Okay, so this is the solution for 8th question. Next question, we will move on next question. So that is question number 9. Question number 9. So that is exercise 10.2. Okay, in exercise 10.2, question number 9. So what is question number 9? For given vectors, a bar is given, that is 2i minus j plus 2k cap. So and b bar is minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. In the direction of the vector a bar plus b bar. Okay, so this is exercise 10.2 is very important for 2 marks and 3 marks questions. So here a bar is given, b bar is given. I want to find unit vector in the direction of the a bar plus b bar. First I want to find a bar plus b bar. That is a bar plus b bar equal to, what is a bar? 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. What is b bar? Minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. That is 2i minus I is I cap, minus j plus j is cancel. That is 2k minus k is plus k cap. Clear? Okay, that is 2i minus I is I cap minus j cap plus j cap cancel, 2k cap minus k cap is plus k cap. This is a bar plus b bar. Now this a bar plus b bar I will consider as some c bar. Okay, now I want to find unit vector for this vector. This vector means what? C bar. That means I want to find C cap. Okay, C cap is equal to C bar divided by magnitude of C bar. What is C bar? I cap plus K cap divided by magnitude of this square root of 1 plus 1. That is I cap plus K cap divided by root 2. Okay, so this is the unit vector in the direction of a bar plus b bar. So they given a bar, b bar. Now I want to find unit vector of sum of these two vectors. Solution is first find a bar plus b bar, then considered as, that is c bar, and again I want to find a unit vector for c bar, that is c cap equal to c bar divided by magnitude of c bar. What is c bar? I cap plus k cap divided by square root of 1 plus 1. So that means I cap plus k cap root 2. Okay, so this is the solution for 9th question. Okay, come to next question. What is 10th question? Find the vector in the direction of the vector. Question number 10. Find the vector in the direction of the vector This question is very important for 2 marks. In the direction of the vector 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap which has magnitude 8 units. Observe the question. See, find the vector in the direction of the vector 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. That means we have to find unit vector for this vector and equate to for both the sides magnitude. First I have to find unit vector. That means this one I will consider it as a bar. A bar is equal to 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Now a cap is equal to a bar divided by magnitude of a bar. That means what is a bar? 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by square root of 5 square means 25. I mean here that is minus 1 whole square means plus 1. Here 2 square means 4. That is a cap is equal to 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by 25 plus 4 is 29. 29 plus 1 is 30. Root 30. Now this is unit vector in the direction of the vector. Okay. Now I mean which has magnitude is 8 units. Okay. It has magnitude 8 units. That means I have to equate both the sides for 8 units. That means 8 a cap is equal to 8 of 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 30. Okay. For this one up to here 1 mark, for this one 1 mark. This is very important for 2 mark question. Okay. Now find the vector in the direction of the vector. So vector is this one and again which has magnitude is 8 units. First I have to find unit vector for this vector. Unit vector for this vector is that is 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 30. For this vector has magnitude is 8 units means we have to equate 8 units on both sides. That is 8 a cap is equal to 8 of 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 30. Okay. So I will continue next session. Thank you. Remaining problems I will continue next session. Thank you everyone.